Hey guys, I'm John with Hops and Brews, and today we're going to check out Elysian Brewing's Pumpkin Ale Night Owl. This beer comes in at 6.7% ABV, a 0 IBUs. It gets an average rating on Untappd of 3.82. Our original pumpkin ale, Night Owl, is brewed with over 7 pounds of pumpkin pure barrel and includes 7 different malt varieties, green and roasted pumpkin seeds, and pumpkin in the mash, boil, and fermenter, bittered with Magnum hops and spiced and conditioning with nutmeg, clove, cinnamon, ginger, and allspice. Okay, so Elysian's Night Owl. This isn't the first time I've had this beer, nor is it the first time I've had it on this channel, but this is the first time doing it in a can. Color, to me, this looks like a pumpkin beer. It is cloudy, it is brown, amber looking, the head's khaki. Huge aroma of nutmeg and cinnamon and clove. That's pumpkin pie in a glass. To me, this is the closest beer I've ever had that tastes like a pumpkin pie and beer put together without having like milk sugars or all the additive dessert stuffs to it. This doesn't taste like pumpkin, but it tastes like a pumpkin pie beer. And that's what I think most people want when they think of pumpkin beer, is they remember pumpkin pie. And this is in beer form. Now, if you're looking for more of the pumpkin meat type of beer, go with their Great Pumpkin. That's an Imperial Pumpkin Ale coming in at 8%. It's all that this is, but more of pumpkin and more alcohol. So it's pretty good. So if you're looking for what I think could be one of the best all around pumpkin beers that is always seasonally released, Elysian's Night Owl. Check it out. Cheers.